Okay guys, so I have watched few videos on YouTube really that are related to pocket option bonus rules, terms and condition, and none of those were able to make me clear what exactly the rules of pocket option bonus are. So I'm going to show you everything in this video clearly so that you can understand what exactly the pocket option rule is and you can check everything out, okay, how you can withdraw those bonuses by meeting the trading condition. And in case if you are new to pocket option platform and if you want to get a huge amount of deposit bonus, not only that much, if you want to keep on getting deposit bonus in upcoming days too, whenever you make deposit, then you can click the link that I've given in the description of this YouTube video and create your account on pocket option, and that link will make you eligible to get a huge amount of deposit bonus in your first time. And then in upcoming days also, whenever you make deposit in the platform, you will keep on receiving this kind of deposit bonuses. So now, without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. So firstly, let's see how this bonus thing work. We'll talk about this also, but firstly let's see about this. So whenever you make a $50 deposit or $100 deposit, let's take a hypothetical example of $100 deposit, okay, and uh, promo code will be automatically implemented if you use the link that I have given in the description of this YouTube video, or you can use promo code like 50 start, okay, which you can find in the platform itself. I'll show you where you can find that too, okay. And then if you see in this terms and condition, you can read all of these things, okay. Minimum deposit is $50, maximum deposit is $5,000, and bonus amount is 50%, okay. Now it says you can take profit and invested funds at any time, okay, but bonus becomes withdrawable if your total trade amount is more than 2500. So you need to meet this condition, okay. So now total trade amount, you can think it as a turnover too, okay, and I'll show you exactly how you can check your turnover inside this platform too, okay. So now let's see in another image. So like, so let's say you deposited a $13 for the first time. FTD means first time deposit, okay? And then next time you deposited 113 $100, okay? So for example, 100 or $113, okay? And you got a bonus of $50. Now you made some trade, okay? And your balance grew to $400, okay? Now, while everything of this were happening at that time, your profit was $293, okay, and your net turnover was $920. That means your total trade amount is $920. So you haven't reached $2,500 to withdraw your deposit, sorry, bonus, okay. So that means your net total trade amount is $920. So this is a hypothetical example. Now how you can check your trading turnover? So now let's see that, okay. So now this is one dummy account, okay, and I'm going to show you how you can check your total trading turnover if it has reached $2,500 or not, okay. So to do that, you can just click on here, okay, and then here you can see real account statistics for today, okay. So today's trading turnover, here you can see $0, okay, and there are no any profit because I haven't made any trade in this dummy account. So just click on real account overall statistic at here, okay, and you'll see somewhat this kind of interface, okay. And now you scroll below, okay, focus on this. In today's here you can see yesterday, you can see at here, and if you click on all time, then it will show off the all time, okay. And here you can see the trading turnover is $56, okay, and the trading profit is minus $31, okay, and maximum amount of trade is $10. So what is important is this trading turnover, okay. So this need to be $2,500 in order to withdraw your bonus fund, okay. So guys, don't forget to like this video and do ask me in the comment section if you have any questions. Take care. Bye bye.